Hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. So today's video is another vlog. Today I'm using my vlog camera instead of this camera, so we're gonna see how that turns out. But if you watched the last couple of videos, I've been talking a lot about dorm room shopping because I'm going to be moving to New York in like 2-ish months. I've been doing a lot of research on dorm room decor. My whole point in this is today I'm gonna go to IKEA, and my roommate and I picked out this thing for our kitchen. It's $30. It's called this. It's this cool like green gray cart. We're gonna put this in the kitchen and have this be like the color palette for the kitchen. Super excited about that, so I'm gonna pick this up, and I'm also gonna pick up a white one for myself to put in my bedroom right now to store some other things. So we're gonna do that today, maybe run some other errands, pick up some food. We'll just see what happens. Also, I really want to show you my inspiration for the wall decor on my side of the room. So this is what I'm going for. I'm gonna have these fairy lights come down, and then I'm just gonna put posters and such over the wall. And as you may or may not know, all of my bedding and comforters and pillows are white or off-white, so I can pretty much choose any color for the wall decor. But my color palette is gonna be orange tones and pink tones, and also accents of blue, sage green, and lilac. And I want to use gold picture frames and mirrors, and I don't want actual pictures, just sketches and stuff. So this is my main inspiration. So far I've purchased a couple of pieces from Etsy. I'll link them below. I got this poster, which may not make a ton of sense to you if you haven't read the ACOTAR series by Sarah J Maas. This is subtle fan art for that series from chapter 48 of A Court of Mist and Fury. It's my favorite chapter ever in that series. And then I also ordered this poster, which is Orpheus and Eurydice, and this one, which is the 12 Olympians. So I think these look really cool, and I think they'll match really well without being too matchy-matchy. I also ordered this one, which is fan art kind of from Crescent City. I think I'm gonna order these Taylor Swift posters. This one is Cardigan, this one is August, and then this one's Betty. But anyway, I've done enough talking about decor, so now let's actually get the decor. So for today's outfit, I mixed silver and gold jewelry. This one's Princess Polly, and then this one is Nasty Gal, I think, and then I just have my random assortment of rings. This shirt thing, which is super cool, it's pretty open back, which is really nice for the summer. This I got off of Amazon. And then I have these jeans from Revised Denim. I really like the fit of these. They have no give on them. It took 4 minutes to get them on. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my balance. But the bottom of them is the top of a jean, if that makes sense. It looks super cute. And then I just have my little Kate Spade bag, which I'm just using to store some of my stuff and the notes I have about dorm decor. Let's get going. I want to try to get there before a bunch of people get there. I balanced the camera in a super sketchy position, so don't be surprised if it falls. But now it is time to go to IKEA. I just love walking around IKEA. It is so entertaining, and going into their little showroom. You could literally spend days at IKEA. Let's get going and put on my summer 2021 playlist, which is literally just Olivia Rodrigo. We're here, and this song is just so fun in the summer to scream sing. I literally listen to it oh my gosh, could this person have their lights on any brighter? How come whenever I park, someone finds the need to park right next to me, even though there's 20 billion other spots? But anyway, this song is so good, and I recently found out that it's about Logan Paul, but still good, whatever. Anyway, let's go shopping. Okay, that's what I want in my future apartment, is this bookshelf thing up here. That is so cute. See, I just love these mini apartments. They're so fun. I kind of want to get one of these bed tray things, but I don't like the blue, so I may get it in white because it's nice and big. It's super cute. And then you can put your tablet up in here. This would be perfect for editing. I think I'm gonna get this. Okay, so they have a ton of stuff. I probably should have gotten a bag or a basket because I cannot carry everything. And a bunch of this stuff I may want to get like later on and closer to when I actually move in. Like I'm gonna need a shoe rack, but I don't know the dimensions yet of the wardrobe thing. I think this clock would look really good on the wall too of my dorm room, except it's not in stock right now, so I'll have to come back. But that's just so cute, this orange one. Okay, so my arms hurt so much from carrying this stuff. I need to do more upper body work. I got a couple of picture frames just to hang some of the pictures I'm gonna get. They're gold, they're really pretty. Their IKEA picture frames are super inexpensive, so if you're looking for something like this, I think this was like $3 maybe. They had a bunch of them too for 99 cents. And as I showed you earlier, I got the like bed tray thing, sort of. I'm gonna use this all the time for editing, I think. I like it because I can put my tablet on it and it's big enough to put like a plate of food on it as well. And then I'm not gonna lift this up because I don't think my arms can hold anything else, but I got the tray thing that I showed you earlier in white. They of course didn't have the one that I needed in the gray green sort of color, so I'm gonna have to order that online until it comes back in stock. And of course that's like the one thing that I came here for to get, and they didn't have it. Of course that happens, but that's okay, I can just order it online. It's still so fun to just walk around in IKEA. Now it's time to get some food. I am not sure what I'm gonna get. I'm kind of thinking In-N-Out because that's super close to here, except it's 11:45 and that means the line is gonna be horrible. In-N-Out just sounds delicious. I haven't been to the one in Colorado yet and it's so close to here, so we're just gonna do it. I can wait in line, it's fine. Yay, we are here. This line is so crazy. Like I'm still on the street and it snakes all the way around over to the building over there. But I don't know, I'm not in a hurry and I kind of think it's worth it. It's kind of weird that these are in Colorado though, because normally I think of these being only on the West Coast in places with palm trees. Yay. Also, like, we're almost to the pay station, so that's kind of fun. Oh, it's starting to play music. I did not want that. I don't want to get copywritten. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I got the double because I like hamburgers. Then I also just got a fry and an unsweet iced tea. I am just so excited. I am so hungry now. I need to get like a tripod for this because if I put it on the dashboard, you can see the steering wheel, which is kind of annoying. Iced tea is delicious. They could use a little bit more ice though. I think there's like 1 ice cube in this. Okay, let's figure out how to eat this because that is quite large. That's really good. Now the fries. Also delicious. I really like their fries. I know some people are kind of like about their fries, but I really like them because they're like squishy and not overcooked. There's like no good way to eat this without getting stuff everywhere. Anyway, I'll see you after I eat because I don't like eating on camera because I eat so quickly and I talk a lot. Then you don't want to see me chewing with my mouth open. That was so good. Now I'm trying to think about what I want to do next. I brought my tripod. It's in the back seat if you can even see that, but I brought my tripod to take some pictures of this outfit because I really like this outfit. So I'm thinking I'm either gonna go to like this parking garage and take some pictures on the like rooftop place and then go to the bookstore because I just love going to the bookstore and browsing about, even though I don't need to go to the bookstore. It's just very entertaining. So I decided to go to the bookstore. Oh my gosh, there's dust all over the camera lens. I'm just gonna leave it there until I can get a lens wipe at home. Anyway, I'm at the bookstore and I'm going to a local bookstore. It's the Tattered Cover. If you ever go to Colorado or if you live in Colorado, you have to go to the Tattered Cover. There are many of them. Oh my gosh, the camera lens is so dirty. I apologize for that. Flowers. And I got more books. Is anybody surprised? No. But literally I read like a book a day, so it's justified, sort of. Anyway, I got Aurora Rising, which is a sci-fi found family YA book. This has really good reviews and I can't wait to read this. And then I got Vicious and Vengeful, which is a duology by V.E. Schwab, who wrote The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue, which is one of my favorites. And this is kind of like a new adult fantasy. And these are both autographed copies, which I think is just so cool because now I have her signature. I just love that bookstore so much. It's like there's not that many people my age. It's like they're all like little children or people who are like fully adults, not like teenagers and 20-year-olds. So that means they always have a good selection of the YA and new adult books because people there aren't really like buying these books. So that means I can buy all of them. Anyway, now I think I'm gonna go to that parking garage and do a little photo shoot of this outfit. We are here in this parking garage. It's just a light rail station that has like a huge parking structure. I'm not really sure why, because this is like not a popular like station to be dropped off at or to be picked up at. It's really cool. See, like you can see the highway over there theoretically, and then there's like an upstairs level, but I went on the level that's like right before the top level. And see, look at that view. You can see the planes and stuff. I thought this would be like a good spot for this outfit, like over here-ish, because there's plenty of light. Now, open the Lens Buddy app. I always talk about this. It basically just takes the pictures for you in an easy way, and you can adjust the settings like you would an actual camera. I should probably wipe off my camera lens first on my phone. Okay, so this is the setup that I have. So it gets a little bit of the blue sky and a lot of the parking garage and back there. I hope this is a good angle. If it's not, then I guess we'll just try again. I know you can't see these too well, but these are actually pretty good. The lighting is really good. I'm just gonna readjust the camera angle a little bit. Okay, so I'll insert the pictures here after I've edited them. But yeah, I think they turned out really well. I think this is just such a fun location. Super Pinteresty and just really fun, and there's no one here, so it's not super embarrassing that I'm just standing in front of a tripod taking pictures of myself. Okay, so now I'm home and I set up the bed tray thing, whatever it's called. It's technically supposed to be used for like eating breakfast in bed, but I'm just using it as a lap desk. It fits my tablet really well too, so you can put it here and ta-da, it just stands, and then I can like watch TV and edit at the same time because my computer will also fit, same with a drink and my hard drive. So this is super nice. I'm really liking this. I'm gonna edit this video with it and see how it works, hopefully well. I also thought I'd share some of the clothing items that I just got, so I'm not gonna try them on because I am exhausted and I don't think I can try anything on right now. Got these two sets from Gap on sale. These are super soft and super buttery. It's just a top and bike shorts combo. Look how cute these are. So this one's like pink snakeskin sort of, and then the other one is just kind of a chocolate brown. So this is the top and this is the bottom. See, getting cute exercise clothes motivates me to exercise. Then from Princess Polly, I got this maxi skirt, and this is just so pretty. I can't wait to wear that during the summer. And then I got these green stretchy pants also from Princess Polly. They're flare. They're this trendy green color. I really like these. I can't wait to wear these. They're pretty lightweight. They just seem very summery, and I just love flare pants. They're so cute and easy to wear. And then I got two kind of halter tops. So this is the first one. It goes like this and then it ties in the back. So I thought this is just super cute. It kind of is a 70s sort of print. I really like the look of this. Also another orange top. So this one is like a turtleneck sort of, so it clips right here and it barely fits my neck. It does fit my neck, but my neck's a little bit big. So I can wear this like by itself or like under a blazer or something. And then the last shirt thing that I got also from Princess Polly is this zebra. This isn't zebra print, never mind. It kind of looks zebra print, but it's more of like a swirly print. But I thought this would be so cute to like just throw on over like a tank top or over a swimsuit. Very summery, but also if I'm a little bit cold I can wear this. It fits really well too. I really like the fit of it. See, so that was my clothing haul. Now I think I'm just gonna read and edit. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm currently editing it right now, and the tray thing has been super helpful, so I totally recommend that. Now I'm just not gonna edit at my desk ever again and just only do it in bed. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, comment down below whatever you want to. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, and I'll see you next time. Bye.